all the agents and the candidates, including officers, was being shown this is the valid vote in favor of the Congress party and it is bundled. After that, taking some few officials inside, after we went to the room, they have taken the entire bundle and marked it. All the votes of Rajeguda has been marked as a double mark and voted, and now they went only for that those votes to be recounted. So the officials, the candidate, and everyone has been involved. A serious investigation has to be conducted, and justice has been prevailed from the Election Commission. It is a big conspiracy in the entire country. I think this type of criminal activities has not taken place anywhere in this country. Such act the BJP has done in Karnataka. We will take it out legally and we will fight it out. And we know that what politics to do.